Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. 2 NVMe versus 2. 5 SATA matters because connectors and mounting differ. Once you know the slot, make a quick backup and gather a Phillips screwdriver, anti-static strap, and any required standoff or SATA cable. Power off the laptop fully, unplug it, and remove the battery if the design allows. Ground yourself to avoid electrostatic discharge. Then remove the service panel and identify the SSD bay, or M2 slot, so you first decide the physical method. For M2, insert the module into the slot at a 30 degrees angle, then press it flat and fasten the standoff screw to secure it. Thermal pads help NVMe heat. For 5 SATA, connect the SATA data and power leads, slide the drive into its caddy or bay, and screw it down so it won't vibrate. If you're using an external USB adapter, plug it into a USB 3.0 port. Once mounted, boot into BIOS to confirm the drive is detected, and set the correct mode and boot order. You finish by reinstalling the access panel, reconnecting battery and power, then booting to BIOS to confirm the drive appears and is prioritized correctly. Once the system boots to your installer or OS, initialize the new SSD, create partitions and format it, or restore your cloned image and then install drivers and updates. If the drive isn't detected, don't panic. Power down, reseat the drive and cables, try another SATA port or USB adapter, and update the BIOS firmware. Those steps resolve most detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.